Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the complete solution to 2022 Time Zone 1 Higher Level Paper 1. Question 9 is about conservation of momentum. There are two identical masses, let's label them as 1 kg for instance. And it is about vector calculation, so throughout the question you must be consistently making maybe right hand side be positive, left hand side be negative. The momentum of the balls, they are P equals to mv, therefore it's positive 8 and negative 4. The total momentum should be positive 8 plus negative 4, making it positive 4 kg meter per second. By conservation of momentum, the final total momentum of the collision shall be positive or again. The correct combination is B, because it is going to the right hand side 1, going to the right hand side 3, and they add up to be 4. Thank you for staying with me to the end. Don't hesitate to leave your question or request in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time.